persons who have chosen to practice compliance because they have seen the value or the importance of compliance in the environment that they find themselves. True compliance is said to actually take place where even the least person in that environment, whether an organization or an establishment, actually practices compliance. A lot of people just feel like, okay, we are living in a system where we can work our way around things, we can just cut the corners. There is no need, nobody is actually checking details. Fine, but there is a presumption that you ought to know. You are in a line of trade, you are in a line of business, or you want to venture into a particular line of business or profession. There are steps that are required for you to fulfill. So if somebody actually sees you in that line of profession or trade, there is a presumption that yes, you have taken all the necessary steps and that you are qualified to. But should anything happen, should anything go wrong, and it is now discovered that you did not fulfill the conditions that are required for somebody to be qualified to practice that profession or execute that line of business, it means that you have contravened the law providing for that business or that profession. Bear it in mind that there is a presumption that you ought to know. There is a presumption that you have taken or you had taken all the necessary steps, that you had fulfilled all the necessary requirements in order to be in that profession or in that line of business. So, upon the discovery that yes, you are actually practicing this profession or this line of business without fulfilling the necessary requirements, means that there is contravention of the law. And when there is contravention of the law, it means that yes, you have chosen to disobey the law. You have chosen not to comply with the law providing for that profession or that line of business or that line of trade. And that means that you're practicing non compliance with the law. And when there is non-compliance with the law providing for what you are engaged in, it means that you are already qualified to receive punishment that is attached to that provision. So when you're also making choices, you must also be ready to receive and live with the consequences that come with that action. So you must have it at the back of your mind that yes, this thing I'm doing, I actually know that yes, I'm supposed to go through these procedures, but I want to buy my way around it. Then you should also be ready. If I am caught, I should be ready to bear the consequences. Some people may think that yes, when I can just do small thing around the corner and I have the thing that I want to do, why go through all this process of walking from one door to the other, following, filling one form, submitting this, submitting that? You think that at following the right procedure that you're spending so much, wait until you find yourself in default. You will discover that it is two times or three times the cost of actually complying with the provisions of the law. It can save you costs, it will save you time, it protects your reputation, it keeps you in a position where people can believe in you. People can have confidence to have dealings with you. That is the importance of compliance. And we must have it at the back of our mind that yes, laws are not put in the society for personal gains. Laws are put in the society to protect public order, to protect public interest. If there were no laws in the society, it means that anybody can just do whatever they want to do and they get away with it. But the law is there to say, okay, yes, I know that there are people who will actually toe this very line of action. I know there are people who will just want to be deviants in the society. But should you decide to go on the wrong lane, there is punishment for you. Why? Because there are different interests in the society, and it is the role, the responsibility of the law to actually balance these interests in the society. You have to control the behavior of human beings by bringing into place the operation of the law. So I hope you're going to take the right steps. I hope you're going to take the right decisions, knowing that every action has its own consequences. This is the platform where you always get premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions help you live informed lives, and discover the very best version of yourself. We'll see you again.